So here's my pizza stone, and as you can see, it's got stains over it from use, but these don't affect how good the pizza tastes, and still it works as good as it ever did. You just need to make sure that if you get any big blobs or anything like that, you can just scrape them off, but these stains actually don't do anything to harm the pizza stone. So let's go make a pizza now and see how it tastes. So when new, it would have looked more like this. This is the underside of it, obviously, and it just sits on this metal thing here. You just place it in, and then you've got the handles here to put it in the oven. See, it does a perfect job. The stone removes moisture out of the bottom, so it gives you the base just like the Italians do, basically. So it's not all sloppy like you can get if you don't use one of these. Oh, that's hot. So again, can you hear that? But still, it's not rock solid. It's still got some flexibility, but the base is cooked with the stone perfectly. And it didn't get stuck on the stone either. So when the stone is up to temperature, because you preheat it first, it just doesn't stick. Pucker.